Windows play a vital role in every home, offering natural light, ventilation, and insulation. However, like any other part of a house, windows can develop issues over time. Homeowners in Manassas often face common window problems due to weather conditions, aging materials, or improper installation. Identifying and addressing these issues early can help maintain energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. In this article, we'll discuss the most frequent window problems in Manassas homes and how to fix them. Drafty windows. Drafts occur when there are gaps in or around a window frame, allowing outside air to enter and conditioned air to escape. This problem often leads to higher energy bills and reduced home comfort. Solution: apply weather stripping around the window sash to seal small gaps. Use caulk to seal cracks or openings in the window frame. Consider installing energy-efficient windows with better insulation properties. Condensation between panes. If you notice fogging or moisture buildup between double or triple pane windows, it likely means the seal has failed, allowing moisture to enter. Solution: if the seal is broken, the best long-term solution is to replace the affected window pane or unit. For temporary relief, use a defogging spray, but this won't fix the underlying issue. Upgrade to high-quality, insulated windows that resist seal failure. Difficult to open or stuck windows. Windows that don't open or close properly can be frustrating and may pose safety risks in emergencies. Solution: clean the window tracks and remove any dirt or debris. Apply a silicone-based lubricant to ease movement. If the problem persists, check for warped frames or damaged components that may need replacement. Cracked or broken glass. Cracked or shattered window glass reduces security, insulation, and curb appeal. Solution: for small cracks, apply a temporary fix using clear nail polish or adhesive tape. If the glass is significantly damaged, replace the pane or the entire window unit. Consider impact-resistant glass for added durability and security. Water leaks around windows. Leaks around windows can cause water damage, mold growth, and structural issues if not addressed promptly. Solution: inspect and replace old or damaged caulking around the window frame. Ensure proper drainage by keeping window weep holes clean. If leaks persist, a professional assessment may be needed to check for improper installation or flashing issues. Noisy windows. Excessive outside noise entering your home may indicate poor insulation or single-pane glass. Solution: upgrade to double or triple pane windows with insulated glass. Add weather stripping to seal any gaps. Consider installing soundproof curtains or window inserts for additional noise reduction. Fading furniture and flooring. Sunlight streaming through windows can cause furniture, carpets, and hardwood floors to fade over time. Solution: install window films that block harmful UV rays. Use curtains, blinds, or shades to reduce sun exposure. Upgrade to low emissivity glass, which filters out UV and infrared light. Rotten or warped window frames. Wooden window frames are particularly susceptible to rot and warping due to moisture exposure. Solution: sand down and repaint wooden frames regularly to protect against moisture. For minor rot, use wood filler and sealant to restore the frame. If the damage is severe, replace the frame with more durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass. Final thoughts: regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the lifespan of your windows and improve your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Whether you're dealing with drafts, leaks, or difficult-to-operate windows, addressing these problems promptly will save you money and hassle in the long run. If you're unsure how to fix an issue, consider consulting a professional window contractor in Manassas to ensure a proper and lasting solution.